So our session is getting recorded. Our today's session is based on super hard Infosys OA problem, which was asked on February 28. It was based on double binary search. Okay. So let me read the question once and then we can go forward. So what is the question saying? Question is saying is that Fastenal is the largest fastener distributor in North America. The trucks of the company are required to deliver boxes of fasteners to their customers. The company has N trucks and each truck has a particular speed. A truck with a speed S can deliver X box of fasteners by the given function f of x equal to S into x square minus x plus 1, where f of x is the time taken in minutes to deliver X boxes and S is the speed of the truck. The company manager has already taken the orders and want to know the minimum time to get the orders completed. Note, all the trucks are delivering simultaneously. All trucks are operationals and each truck has a valid truck driver. Input 1 less than equal to 10 raised to 5, which is the size of k is less than equal to 10, and which is size of the array is less than equal to 100, and each element of array will be less than equal to 10, greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 10. So guys, let me explain what is the question is that problem is that you are given an array called as b. The size of the array is n is from 1 to 100. Maximum array, the maximum size of array can only be 100. Each element of the array will be from 1 to 10. Okay, guys, is this much clear? Please start writing yes in the chat, then I will explain the further question. We are given an array b. The maximum size of the array is 100 and each element in the array is maximum 10. Guys, is this much clear? Please start writing yes in the chat. Waiting for our mentoring students to write yes or no. Yeah, Sid, Pratyush, Nishkarsh, Priyam, everyone else, please start writing yes in the chat. What I am saying? Nothing. There is a B array. Size of the array is n. Each element in the array is from 1 to 10. And the maximum size of the array is 100. If this much is clear, start writing yes in the chat. I'm waiting for each and every one. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, guys, the question is saying that apart from these, we are giving you an integer k. The maximum value of integer k can be 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5. Okay, 10 raised to 5. Now the question is saying that you have to divide k into n parts. You have to divide k into n parts like k1, k2, k3 till kn. You have to divide this thing into n parts. Once you divide it into n parts, you have to calculate the value of each and every index given by the function f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. So you have the array b1, b2, b3 till whatever. Okay, this is our array, right? So what they are saying is that you have a k, just divide it whatever you want in whichever way you want. You guys, can you see the complexity of this problem? You don't even know कि कैसे divide करना है, बस बोल दिया है कि divide करना है. K should be divided into n parts like this. Then what you have to do at each index, you have to calculate this value. It is s into x square minus x plus 1. So s is nothing but b1. So b1 into k1 square minus k1 plus 1. This is the first value. Like this, you have to calculate for each index and the maximum of those is your answer. Maximum of those is your answer. Maximum of those is your answer. Guys, just tell me one thing. For b1 the value was b1 into k1 square minus k1 plus 1. What will be the value of b2? Whoever writes it in the chat, I will give him 100 rupees GPay by night. What will be the answer? What will be the value for b2? Which the question is saying that each index का original value is s into x square minus x plus 1. So b2 का क्या होगा? b2 into, बताओ chat में. Guys, I'm waiting for you guys to write it in the chat. So guys, Raj Kushwa has said correctly, I will give him 100 rupees GPay at night. Okay, and this is the true thing. I will give and post the screenshot. So b2 into k square minus k2 plus 1. Guys, we know what will be the answer for b1. We know what will be the answer for b2. The real answer is maximum of all the values. All the values. Guys, what is the answer for B3? Who wants to write? Please write in the chat. B3, B3. Nah, B3 Priyam, you have written wrong. B3 के में K2 नहीं आएगा प्रियम. There will not be K2. See, there are K1, K2, K3 parts are like this. You have a K, you have to divide it like according to your own situation. Then you have to calculate this value for each index. Then whatever is the maximum of all those values, you have to calculate this maximum should be minimum. This is the full complicated problem. So you guys can see that Infosys asks good problem, right? Ajay has given me the right answer. Really impressed by you, Ajay. Good. Priyam, you have again written the wrong answer. It should be B3 into K3 square minus K3 plus 1. Yeah. Nishkarsh, you are, I hope you are understanding. Guys, I want you to tell me the answer of B4 also. What will be the answer for B4? So basically, I'm explaining again. You're given an array of B which is size n. You are given a K. You have to divide K into n parts like this. Then you have to calculate each index value. The first index value will be B1 into K1 square minus K1 plus 1. The second value will be B2 into K2 square minus K2 plus 1. Third value will be B3 into K3 square minus K3 plus 1. Like this, I will keep on doing till the end. Whichever is the maximum of these values, that is my answer. Maximum of all of these. Maximum of all of these. Maximum of all of these. Now the question is, find the minimum. Find the minimum possible maximum. Find the minimum possible maximum. We know how to calculate the maximum, but they are saying what can be the minimum possible maximum. Like basically बंदा ये बोल रहा है कि k को ऐसा डिवाइड मारो कि ये जो मैक्सिमम आता है ना ये उतना छोटा हो जितना हो सके. They are trying to say divide the k in such a manner such that the maximum which comes out it becomes as small as possible. Got it? So I think I should write it in this Google Doc. So basically they are saying the question is given an array of size b of size n, name of array is b, given an integer k, divide k into n integers such that the maximum value of all indices by the given function is as minimum as possible. So we are having this B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, something like that. Then we have K ko we divide it into K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus like this. Then you calculate value at each index. It's B1 into K1 square minus K1 plus 1. Like this you calculate for all other numbers. Maximum of all these values should be as minimum as possible. Guys, is the question clear to everyone? Please start writing yes in the chat. Guys, please start writing yes in the chat if the question is super clear. Yeah, good. Guys, I want yes from each and everyone in this meeting. Or else I will not continue further. So guys, please start writing yes. Show me more yeses. Only Giriraj has written yes. What about others? Thank you, Suraj. Thank you. Guys, do you agree this is a very complicated question? Right? First, you have to read this statement, then you have to make the sense of it ki bhai ye it is saying this thing. So guys, this is a complicated question, right? Yes or no? Yeah, thank you. So guys, now let's start thinking what can we do. Okay, what can we do here? Let's start thinking. So hmm, we are given the array B. Let's just assume we had this array B. We had this array B. Okay, now you just check if the maximum answer, like you check can 10 be the maximum answer for this. You check. Okay, check of 10, we make a function check of k. So check of 10 tells you can 10 be the maximum value. Can 10 be the maximum value? If check of 10 is true, it means yes, you can divide k in such a manner that you get the answer as 10. Got it, guys? How to make that check function, I don't know. But just assume that in this world, there is a magical function which will tell you if this number can become the maximum of this array, yes or no. Okay? Okay? So guys, the thing is, everything is clear, right? The question was that given an array of size n, the name of the array is b, and we are given an integer k. Divide k into n integers such that the maximum value of all the indices by the given function is as minimum as possible. So b1, b2, b3, b4, 5, and k ko you divide into greedily whatever k1, k2, k3, k4 till 5. Then the first value is b1 into k1 square minus k1 plus 1. Second is b2 into k2 square minus k2 plus 1, etc. etc. You have to find the maximum of all these values and they should be as minimum as possible. So my trick is saying that let's try to define a function check of k, function check of k, or anything you want to say. What should check of k do? Check of k should tell you check of k returns true if k can be achieved as the maximum value, or the maximum value can be less than equal to k. If the maximum value, if if the maxi acha, wait, let me check again what the question is saying. The company manager has already taken the orders and wants to know the minimum time to get the orders completed, where f of x. So if we check, they said that the first truck will deliver 4 boxes. So okay, that's why they came to the figure number 13. They could not do for 12. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. I think, guys, it will be better if we start analyzing this thing from the test cases itself. Okay, this is a pretty hard problem, so it will take some difficulty to explain you guys. So let me start explaining this with the test cases itself. So guys, I hope you guys will help me with it. So the guy is saying that k is 10. We are given 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now they are saying that after calculation of this function, the answer should be 4. This will should take 4 boxes. Okay, and all others will take 2 boxes each. All other will take 2 boxes each. Okay. So guys, you can see that these guys, if you divide all of these guys, like 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, this will be equal to 10. Okay, so this is their division. Now how is it working? Guys, what will be the actual value of first according to the formula? This is b of 1 and this is k1. So guys, can anyone tell me what is b1 into k1 square minus k1 plus 1 in this case? What is the answer? Tell me. till then I would like to define the check function as well. Check of k means a function which tells you that the maximum value is possible for the problem if the which tells you that the maximum value less than equal to k is possible for the given array, possible for the given array. Okay, so check of k tells you if the maximum value can be less than equal to k or not. Okay, so guys, apart from that, please tell me what will be the value for the first number. Problem is really hard, so I need lots of focus from you people. Okay, so guys, this is 1, this is 4. Tell me what will be the answer. 13. Good, good, nice. Nice. I like that, guys. I like that. So, 13. Obviously, no one is going to take this risk of explaining such hard question to their students, right? Most of the cases, they might dare not understand themselves. So, guys, what will be the answer for this? Tell me, guys, this is B2. This is K2. Quickly tell me, what is B2 into K2 square minus K2 plus 1? Jaldi, jaldi, fast. कोई कुछ बोल रहा है कि नहीं बोल रहा? Yeah, so this guy is saying, Raj is saying 6, 9, 12. Okay, guys, do you agree that this is 6, this is 9, this is 12? So maximum of this is what? Maximum of this is what? This is 13. That's why they said the answer as 13. So guys, check of 13, if I had a function which would calculate check of 13. So check of 13 would be true or false. Can the answer be less than equal to 13? Less than equal to 13? Yes or no? Make bold. I am saying that I am trying to make a imaginary function check of k. Check of k tells you a function which tells you that the maximum value less than equal to k is possible for the given array or not. So guys, for the given question, is check of 13 true or false? Is check of 13 true or false? कॉमन सेंस से बताएं इस बात को. ट्रू है भाई, ट्रू है. लेस देन इक्वल भी तो लिखा था. इक्वल का मतलब 13. क्या यार, क्या इंजीनियर बनोगे तुम लोग यार. Oof, guys, check of 13 is true for this question. Pratyush, do you agree check of 13 is true? I will tell you why. Check of 13 means that the answer maximum value can be less than equal to 13. Less than equal to मतलब अगर 13 के इक्वल हुआ तो भी चलेगा. समझे? और 13 तो आंसर आ ही रहा है क्वेश्चन में, देखा ना यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है? So check of 13 is true. Guys, now just use common sense. Tell me what will be the value of check of 14. अब भाई अगर 13 में ट्रू था तो उसके बड़ा का तो ट्रू ही होगा ना. Check of 13 means the maximum value can be less than equal to 13. If the maximum value can be less than equal to 13, means it is obviously less than equal to 14. तो check of 14 क्या होगा? चाचा जी, check of 14 क्या होगा? Okay. Guys, दिमाग लगा के बोलो check of 15. Check of 15. Guys, check of 15. True. True. Nice. Nice. Good. 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 Nice. Check of 16. Okay. So guys, do you get this subtle trick? Very, very subtle trick. I am like sharing this document. Uh, uh, Pseudo code plus thoughts. I am sharing that, guys. So guys, now before moving further, I would like to tell you something. Okay, guys, the thing is, subtle thought which came to my mind last night when I was talking to Didi. I came to know that the world is very good. Okay, so we should think of simple ideas. The thing is, if they are trying to tell us, give give me minimum answer, give me minimum answer. Okay, they are saying give me minimum answer. Okay, they are saying give me minimum answer. Okay, I will mention the question link in that document so things become Okay, let it be. Give me minimum. So guys, can't you use common sense? If check of, say check of 5 is true, if check of 5 is true means 5 is our answer, right? But they are saying give the minimum. So if 5 is true, is checking 6 any help, is any helpful? It is not helpful. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 6 and 6 is always true. So they are saying tell me the minimum value. So if you find out that check of 5 is true, which is the next number you should check? Which is the next number you should check for the minimum stuff if 5 is already true? This is common sense, guys. We are trying to find the minimum number for any rate. Let me write it here. For any number, for any number, for any number, so for any array, for any array, if check of 5 is true, does it make sense? Does it make sense to find answer of check of 6? Guys, please tell me, is finding check of 6 makes any sense? Do we need 6? They are trying to say give me the minimum value. Minimum तो 5 से ऊपर क्यों जा रहे हो? Guys, does it make sense to find the answer of check of 6 or check of 7 or check of 8? Does it make any sense, guys? No, no. So guys, if you already know that 5 is true, so which value, which number checking will make sense? Which number checking will make sense? Which number? If you know check of 5 is true, you want to find the minimum number, just check of 4 यार. 5 छोटा वाला देखो, अगर 4 भी चल रहा है तो वहाँ क्या बात है? Less than the given number. Yeah. So guys, we should be checking check of 4. If check of 4 is also true, guys, tell me in the chat now which number should be checked for the best safety purpose. Check of 4 is also true. Means answer can be 4 also. Less than 5 na. Guys, if check of 4 is true, तो कौन सा number check करोगे? Common sense use करो. Common sense. 3. Guys, if check of 3 is false, अब आएगा ना मजा. If check of 3 is false, this means 3 पे था आंसर false, 4 पे the answer is true, 5 पे it is true, forever it will be true now. बड़ा वैल्यूज के लिए हमेशा ट्रू ही रहेगा एक बार ट्रू आ गया तो. So what is the observation? Once the answer becomes true, it stays true forever. अगर लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 सही था तो लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 करोड़ भी सही होगा ना. कोई बात नहीं, ये भी समझाना पड़ेगा. ट्रू, ट्रू. Nice, nice. So the observation is once the answer becomes true, it stays true forever. So check of 4 is true, check of 3 is false. मतलब 3 आंसर नहीं है तो सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है ट्रू में? 4. So answer is 4. So basically iterate through all the possibilities, possible true answers, and find the first occurrence of true. Find the first occurrence of true. Occurrence of true. That is your final answer. Whenever true came for the first time, na, that will only be the minimum number. Guys, is this thing clear? Please start writing yes or no in the chat. You check of 1, check of 2, check of 3, check of 4, check of 5. As soon as you get any I as true, it means this is the answer because this I is minimum. अब आगे जाके क्या मतलब है? क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा था? मिनिमम चाहिए, मिनिमम चाहिए. समझे? Start writing yes in the chat. Guys, I want everyone to write yes in the chat. Good, nice, nice. Pratyush, I want you also to write yes in the chat. Good, good, good. Only Priyam, Vriyam, Giriraj, where are you guys? I want you also to write yes in the chat. Okay. So guys, Priyam, Nishkarsh, are you with me? Nishkarsh, where are these people? Sid, Mukul. Okay, good. Nice, nice. Okay, guys, now I am going ahead. Okay. So basically, now tell me, guys, if I am given this array B of I, let's say the maximum, okay, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, okay, and I am given a capital K. What can be the maximum? What can be the maximum value? Maximum value. Maximum value, if you are multiplying, what can be the maximum value at any given index? At any given index. So at any given index, the answer will be what? B of I into, let's say you give, divide, what you do now? You have a capital K, right? You give all other parts 0 and one single part को तुम capital K ही दे दो. So what will happen? B of I into capital K square minus K plus 1. So how to maximize this? B of I should be the maximum of all the B numbers. So maximum of B of I into K square minus K plus 1 is the maximum possible value. So let me write it as highest. So all I have to do is run a for loop. Run a for loop from 1 to highest. Guys, do you agree with me that it is correct or not that I should run a for loop from 1 to highest? So guys, now I am writing the pseudo code. Pseudo code. Be your Python, Java, C++, you will understand. So let's run a for loop. Okay, so I have an array B. Okay, size n array B. I have integer k. Integer k. Okay, I have these things. Now what will I do? I will just run a for loop for integer I equal to 1, I less than equal to highest, because answer can never be greater than equal to highest. I plus plus. Now I have a magical check function. How to write the check function even I don't know. Guys, please help me with the code. If check of I is equal to false, I will do nothing. I will do nothing. Else, if it comes as true, the first true value, now you should break the code. Now you should come out of for loop and record the answer. Record the answer. Okay. So guys, let's say the answer I declared as int answer equal to highest. So guys, what will be the answer? Answer equal to क्या लिखना है ये else के अंदर बताओ? Because as soon as you get the else condition, you click on break. So guys, what will be the answer? Can you tell me please, guys? I smart Sid fully smart guy. 100 rupees GPay. गाइस आई इंडेक्स पर हो ना तो आई लिखोगे. निष्कर्ष समझे कि नहीं समझे क्या हुआ? एंड व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल आंसर? प्रिंट फाइनल आंसर. प्रिंट फाइनल आंसर. प्रिंट ANS final answer. Okay, I think we can write the same thing. Okay, this is our B array of size n. This is our integer k. Integer answer equal to highest. What is highest? Highest is nothing but this. Max of B of I. Max of B of I means the largest element in array B. You run a for loop. If check of I is false, you ignore. Else, whatever is the answer, this is it. Print final answer. Guys, can you tell me what is the most missing thing in this code? We never wrote the code for check function. What is the code for check function? What is the code for check function? Guys, do you agree or not that what is the code for this is missing? Is missing. So guys, check function code we have to start writing. Integer, it will return integer. It is check function. It will take int, and let me write it as value or VL or GG. Okay, I will tell you how to write a check function. Guys, check function हमको क्या बताता है? Check functions tells us that is it possible that the answer for this array is less than equal to GG? Tells us tells us is answer possible for this array such that answer is less than equal to GG. Guys, do you agree or not that check function is acha bool. Thank you. It will return a true or false, right? Bool. Bool. Good. Nice. So guys, now let's go into deep thoughts. Deep thoughts. Whenever you are given a array B, na, it is common sense that you should sort this array. Sort the array. This is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So B1 is less than B2 is less than B3 till this is. Now you have to check if the maximum value for this array can be less than equal to GG. So guys, do you agree or not that if you want to check is the answer less than equal to GG, it means you have to check for each index. Each index answer should be less than equal to GG. Each index each index final value should be less than GG for GG to be the answer for this array. Guys, do you agree or not? Do you agree or not that the answer for each index should be less than equal to GG? Guys. Can you understand my deep thought? So the question is saying, please tell us, is it possible that the answer for this full array is less than equal to GG? If you go into deep, you will come to know that the answer will be less than equal to GG only if each index is less than equal to GG. Each index value should be less than equal to GG. Basically, B1 into K1 square minus K1 plus 1 should be less than equal to GG. Guys, who agrees with this? Yes or no? Start writing yes or no in the chat, guys. Yes or no. B1 into B1 into K1 square minus K1 plus 1 should be less than equal to GG. Guys, do you agree with me or not? Please tell me. Please tell me. Now you know, guys, what is the best thing? This is a binary search plus greedy problem. Super hard problem, binary search plus greedy. So guys, this value should be less than equal to GG. What can you do to make this less than equal to GG? You can put any small value of k like 1, etc. But it is always better. It is always better to take the largest possible value of k1. Largest possible value of k1. It is always better. It is always better to take the largest possible value of k1. Okay, it is always better to take the largest possible value of k1. Okay guys, this is very important. Okay, so guys, why is this the case? Let me tell you, guys. Let me tell you, गाइज इतना क्लियर है कि b1 into k1 square minus k1 plus 1 should be less than equal to gg when you are writing the gg function. Start writing s in the chat. Start writing s in the chat. Start writing s in the chat, please. Okay. Guys, Nana Sid, b it should be less than equal to gg. Why are you writing equal? Less than equal to लिखो, ठीक है? प्रत्युष, आई वॉन्ट यू टू से मी समथिंग. सो प्रत्युष, मेरा ये कहना है कि जब तुम ये कर रहे हो ना, तो के को तो तुम k1 के n में डिवाइड कर ही रहे हो. मेरा ये कहना है कि k1 को जितना बड़ा कर सको करो. मैं फ्यूचर का सोच रहा हूं, बताता हूं क्यों, बताता हूं, रुको रुको. ये b1 है, ये b2 से छोटा है, ये b3 से छोटा है, ठीक है, ये bn है. अगर अब ये bn क्या होगा, बड़ा होगा, ये bn इतना बड़ा होगा. अगर अभी अभी ये बड़े वाले के साथ बड़ा वाला मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो घंटा लेस देन इक्वल टू जीजी होगा. नहीं, नहीं होगा. इसलिए मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूं कि के बड़े बड़े पार्ट इधर चले जाए और छोटा छोटा इधर आए. समझे? स्टार्ट राइटिंग yes or no in the chat what I was trying to say. I am saying that obviously this is an increasing function, right guys? b1 into k square minus 1, forget minus k plus 1, b1 into k square. So if I take, this is a smaller number, so if I multiply the large part of k with this, then the small part of k will be left. So if the small part of k is getting multiplied with large part of b, then there is chances that it might be less than equal to gg. But if you multiply the small part of k with this, small part of k with this, then the leftover large part of k with this, दिखती बात है यार, बी भी बड़ा था, के भी बड़ा था, मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, लेस देन इक्वल टू जीजी कैसे आएगा? इसको बोलते हैं ग्रीडी स्ट्रेटेजी. दिमाग में खनकना चाहिए कि दोनों नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे, छोटा चाहिए ना, तो जो सबसे छोटा है उससे एकदम बड़ा वाला के का पार्ट मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे, और जो सबसे बड़ा है उससे एकदम छोटा वाला मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे. चमका यस लिखो, यस या नो लिखो गाइस इन द चैट. गुड गुड. So guys, मैं क्या, what I'm saying is that b1 should be multiplied with smallest part of k, whereas bn should be multiplied with largest part of k. अरे guys, this wrong लिखा है मैंने. b1 should be multiplied with largest part of k, largest part of k, whereas bn should be multiplied with smallest part of k. So guys, what will be the largest value? How will you find out? b1 into k1 square minus k1 plus 1 less than equal to gg. This means k1 square minus k1 plus 1 should be less than equal to gg by b1. गाइस, दिस इज एन इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, यू कैन अप्लाई बाइनरी सर्च ऑन इट. ये हमेशा बढ़ते ही जाएगा, बढ़ते ही जाएगा. तो बाइनरी सर्च लगा के ढूंढ लेंगे ना कि इसकी कौन सी मैक्सिमम k1 वैल्यू है विच इज लेस देन इक्वल टू gg बाय b1. k1 स्क्वायर माइनस k. गाइस, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? स्टार्ट राइटिंग एज इन द चैट. k1 स्क्वायर माइनस k1 प्लस 1, k1 स्क्वायर minus k1 plus 1 should be less than equal to gg by b1. To find the max possible k1, we can do binary search. We can do binary search. So we'll put a second check function which will tell us the maximum possible k1. Okay, maximum possible k1 such that it is less than equal to gg by b1. Once we know that, we will use that value. We will keep doing this thing as much as we can. Okay. So guys, I have already written the code for that here. Okay. So this is our b1. Just assume y is our b1. Okay. Y is our b1. So I'm writing a b1 here. And this is our gg. Okay. Gg. So I wanted what? I wanted less than equal to gg by b1, right? gg by b1. Okay, I think this was this was okay. Let me write it. So what have we done here? Okay, we have taken a low, we have taken a high. Okay, we are just checking if we can work out or we cannot work out. We are just checking. Okay, it should be less than equal to BB. So BB is what? GG by B1. GG by B1. So this is GG. This is B1. Okay. So this is GG. This is B1. Okay. So guys, this is the SOL function, okay, which will tell us what is the maximum possible value of K1, okay. This function tells us the maximum possible value of K1, okay. It takes O of log of high time, okay. So guys, the thing is, I have taken things from here to here. I am writing one more sol function, okay, SOL function. Just writing its code somewhere down, okay. So guys, what is this function doing? This function is telling us what is the maximum value of. I hope you guys have done the basic prerequisites before coming to this session. So guys, this function tells us the maximum possible value of k1. Here, k1 square minus k1 plus 1 should be less than equal to gg by b1. So I took gg here, b1 here. I took low as 0. I calculated the constraints and took high as this 10 raised to 6. I calculated gg by v1, right? So while low less than equal to high, पहले mid calculate कर लो. फिर k1 स्क्वायर माइनस k1 प्लस 1 कर रखा है ऑन लाइन नंबर 15. अगर इस चीज की वैल्यू अगर बीबी से कम आती है, बीबी यानी कुछ नहीं, जीजी बाई बी1, तो मतलब अपन को मिल मिल गया है. अगर मतलब अगर लेस देन आते हो चेक करना, अगर वो इक्वल है तो मिड को रिटर्न कर दो, नहीं तो अपने लो को बढ़ाते चलो बढ़ाते चलो बढ़ाते चलो, और अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो हाई इक्वल टू मिड माइनस 1 कर लो. बेसिक बाइनरी सर्च है. क्या हो रहा है बता देता हूँ. अपन को k1 स्क्वायर माइनस k1 प्लस 7 ऐसा चाहिए जो जीजी बाई b1 से छोटा हो बट सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू हो. तो क्या है, जनरली क्या होता है कि जब k1 की वैल्यू कभी 1 होगी, कभी 2 होगी, कभी 3 होगी, कभी 4 होगी, कभी 5 होगी, ठीक है, ऐसे लेके it is possible that when k1 is 5 it is less than equal to gg by b1, but when is k1 is 6 it is not possible. So maximum value क्या आएगी, 5. मतलब 1 पे ट्रू था, 2 पे ट्रू था, 3 पे ट्रू था, 4 पे ट्रू था, 5 पे ट्रू था, 6 पे फॉल्स हो गया. तो 5 अपना सबसे बड़ा आंसर आ गया. तो ये चीज को बाइनरी सर्च से मैंने पहचान लिया. Guys, please start writing yes in the chat if the solve function is clear. SOL function, this function tells us the maximum possible value of k1. Guys, if this much is clear, I will tell you. We have to run a for loop now for the check function. We have to check if each index is less than equal to GG or not. Okay. Basically, less than equal to GG by V1. Okay. So, guys, can you please start telling me? Guys, please start replying. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, guys, this session got really hard because it is really complicated. Okay. So now you can see what is Infosys to ask you for 9 LPA. Okay. So, guys, start telling me the code for this. How will you check if each index is less than equal to GG? Int I equal to 1 while I less than equal to n. Okay. n ही है ना अपने array में, ठीक है. uh, int ki should tell me the maximum possible value. Int ki should tell me the maximum possible value. Okay. So what is the maximum possible value which I can use such that which is the maximum possible value I can use such that it is less than equal to gg by b1. Gg by b1 means gg to I already know, bi, right? So I should write here sol of gg comma b of I. Gg comma b of I. So guys, it means ki it is now guaranteed that the final answer at this index is less than equal to gg. Okay. So guys, int ki does the now what I should do ना, जो भी k आ रहे हैं ना सारे k को ऐड कर लेना चाहिए, k1 k2 k3, you know, you should add all the one, k1 plus k2 plus k3, whatever k's you are getting. So int total k equal to 0, tot k is equal to tot k plus equal to ki. Okay. So basically, guys, I hope everything is clear. Please start writing yes in the chat. Please start writing yes in the chat. Okay, so guys, what I'm doing is for each index I calculated the maximum possible k, which will suffice. Like I calculated k1, calculated k2, k3 till kn. I'm taking its all of the sum in tot k. Tot k is nothing but k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus kn. Guys, do you know now what? If tot k is, you know, the actual k जिसको divide करना था capital K था. So if tot k tot k is greater than equal to k, मतलब एक एक को अपन इतनी वैल्यू दे पा रहे जो के से भी बड़ा है. ठीक है, मतलब द इट इज पॉसिबल, रिटर्न ट्रू, रिटर्न ट्रू. और अगर टॉट के लेस देन इक्वल टू कैपिटल के हो गया, लेस देन इक्वल टू कैपिटल के हो गया, मतलब अपन ने बेस्ट ट्राई करा सब चीजों को लेस देन इक्वल टू जीजी करने का, तो भी वो सारे के पार्ट्स उसमें समा नहीं पाए. समझ रहे हो? तो just add the k1 k2 k3 maximum whatever you are getting. If the maximum is greater than equal to k, then you are happy days. Yeah, you can do it. Nice, nice, nice. जहां जहां भी एक्स्ट्रा आया है ना उसको कम कर लेंगे. समझ रहे हो बात को? अरे कॉमन सेंस है यार, तुम लोग में ना कॉमन सेंस का थोड़ा सा, आई थिंक कोडिंग इज नथिंग बट कॉमन सेंस. ओके, आई रियली फील दैट. Suppose capital K was 10, okay, and your K1, K2, K3. This came as 1, this came as 2, this came as, let's say, 15. Okay. So, guys, what is the sum? The sum tot K is 15, 16, 17, 18, which is greater than equal to K. Means ये काम कर सकता है. कैसे करेंगे? पहले वाले बंदे को 1 से कर लेंगे, दूसरे को 2 से कर लेंगे, और कितना बचा? 10 में से 1 गया, लाइक 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 2 7. तो थर्ड वाले को अपन 15 की जगह 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. जब 15 में भी वो लेस देन इक्वल टू जीजी आ रहा है, तो 7 में भी तो लेस देन इक्वल टू जीजी आएगा ना चाचा. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ टॉट के, इफ टॉट के इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू के, तो सब सेट है. गाइस प्लीज स्टार्ट राइटिंग यस इन द चैट. सो इफ टॉट के is greater than equal to dot k is greater than equal to capital K. Okay, dot k is greater than equal to capital K. Then we should return what? True. Or else return false. Or else return false. So guys, uh, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking the dot k and yeah, trying this out. Okay, return false. So guys, this function is also done, this function is also done, this function is also done. Now let's calculate the time complexity. Okay. So guys, for this the time complexity will be O of n, right? We are running a while loop, O of n. O of n, and then you are doing like calling that solve function. So O of n into log of n, O of n into log of this highest value, O of n into log of high. But O of n into log of high के साथ अपन ये भी तो चला रहे हैं ना, 1 से लेके highest तक, right? So this is O of highest multiplied by O of n multiplied by O of high. ठीक है, ठीक है, मतलब O of log of high, because you are doing binary search on this, right? So guys, the time complexity is O of highest into O of n into O of log of high. This is the solution number 1. We can optimize this further. Guys, is everything clear till here? Solution number 1 or S0. Time complexity is O of highest because you are going from 1 to highest in the code. then you are iterating the full array again for each index, then O of log of I, because you are doing that binary search to find the maximum value of k1. So guys, is the time complexity till here clear? O of highest into O of n into O of log of I. So guys, please start writing S in the chat. Guys, can anyone write the time complexity for this solution in this Google chat? And I will update this in the doc here. Time complexity for is O of highest into O of n into O of log of high. This much is clear. Now, guys, now let's go to the second solution. Okay. So, guys, the second solution stays the same, but guys, we are doing one thing which is not very smart. Okay, I will tell you. Guys, please write the time complexity for the second solution, please, in the chat. I know you guys know. Please start writing, and please start saying me if you understood. I see no one is writing. What happened? Pratyush, Raj, why are you guys not writing in the chat? Guys, please write in the chat. Hello, hi, no reply. Guys, I want your replies in the chat. So, Pratyush, why are you not writing the time complexity of the solution which I just said here? What's your issue? Are you guys aware or not what's going on? It's O of highest into O of n into O of log of I. Hmm. So, Pratyush, what I am trying to say is that this thing is pretty much clear. Now, let's go to the better solution which was possible. Okay. So, the better solution is that what we can do is that we were doing this. We are checking if like we are checking this check of I from 1 to n, right? We are checking this from 1 to n, right? This is false, 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 then starts coming true, 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 true. So you're trying to write a loop and try to find the first occurrence of true, right? trying to find trying to trying to find trying to find the first occurrence of true, the first occurrence of true. So guys, this thing, same thing could be done by binary search also. Why did you run a for loop of O of highest, right? You could do it in O of log of highest. Okay. So if you get back here, you'll come to know that you are running a, like, the solution is same, but you should change this part. Change this part. Okay. Let me write. Change this part. So the second solution I'm writing again. You can just do a simple binary search. Okay. Pre- Okay, let me write it again here. Just taking this thing, run a for loop from 1 to highest, right? Binary search on 1 to highest. So now guys, I'm going to do a binary search on 1 to highest, okay? It is double binary search. Two binary searches will be used here, okay? So binary search from 1 to highest. Binary search. Binary search from 1 to highest. So guys, I have this array B integer k. Very nice, good. Now, I know the highest is this, right? So I am writing int, okay, int low equal to 1 of binary search, int highest int high equal to highest of our binary search. Okay, this much is clear. So guys, now rather than doing this stuff, I have a trick which can solve this thing in our while low less than equal to high, while low less than equal to high, what you can do is write int mid. Okay, mid is nothing but low plus high by 2. Okay, It's low plus high by 2, and int mid is nothing but low plus high by 2. Int mid is nothing but low plus high by 2. Now, if check of mid, if check of mid is equal to say true, if this is true and just one index before this is false, if this is the case, then obviously the answer is nothing but what? Answer is nothing but our answer is nothing but let me check. Answer is nothing but guys. Check of mid is true and check of mid minus 1 is false. So check of it is the same as this which I told you. Okay. And that thing was that check of mid is true and check of mid minus 1 is false. So check of mid will be the answer. So the answer is nothing but mid. I'm just going back. Check of mid, check of mid. hmm If check of mid equal to true, then answer is nothing but mid. Okay. Or else if check of mid is true, if check of mid is true, then what can you do? If check of mid is true, then let me think. If check of mid is true and check of mid plus 1 is also true, then obviously you should go a bit back. High equal to mid minus 1. Okay? First check of mid was true. And obviously one more condition you should write. If mid is equal to 1, if mid is equal to 1, already you got the final answer. So just write answer equal to 1. Else if mid is greater than equal to 2, so else if check of mid is true and check of mid minus 1 is false, do this. If check of mid is true and check of mid plus 1 is also true, then high is equal to mid minus 1. Okay. Else if check of mid is false, check of mid false हो गया तो अपन को आगे निकल लेना चाहिए. तो low I will increase it from mid to mid plus 1. Okay, so I did that for you guys. So yeah, this is guys the way, and I'm like keeping one more integer variable as 0, keeping it as 0. I'm just saying that this while loop should run till v is also equal to 0, because once you get the answer, you should break out, right? So equal to 1, and if you get the answer equal to 1, and guys, yeah, rest of the stuff is done. Just print the answer, guys. I hope everything is clear. And the time complexity of this thing will be O of log of highest into O of n into O of log of high. Now n is less than equal to 100, high is less than equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and highest will, I think, if I think properly, highest will be less than equal to largest b, which is 10 into k square, right? So k square, k is 10 raised to 5, so this can be 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to 10. So this full can be 10 raised to 11. Okay. So log ऑफ 10 रेज टू 11 करोगे तो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं आएगा, 40 तक आएगा. 40 इंटू 100 इंटू 20, इतना सा टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है, सारे ऑपरेशन में रन हो जाएगा, काम खत्म. तो द प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व्ड गाइस. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you, nice, nice, thank you guys. So guys, now Sid is saying that why with the smallest part and largest part. So Sid, as I said, that common sense is very much required, right, in coding. So what you are doing is you are taking this b1. Let's just assume you have only two numbers, okay, b1 and b2. You have only k, right? K1 plus k2. My supposition is that k1 should be greater than k2. I will tell you why. Say k1 was how to explain you, man. Say b1 is 1. Say this is 5. Okay, clear. Say k1 is and k2 is, k1 is 1 and k2 is 5. Okay, clear, guys. Now the thing is I will try to multiply the smaller k1 with this and see what's the result is coming. Guys, what is the result for this index? b1 into k1 square. K1 is 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So this comes out as 1, right? Guys, what will be the answer for this? B2 and K2 both are 5. Guys, please start writing in the chat. Sid, please write in the chat because you had the doubt. You will only tell me. Sid, unmute yourself if you are there in the meeting. Sid, unmute yourself. Hello, Sid, are you there? Sid, भाई किधर हो? हाँ, so you know English, Hindi both, right? So Sid, tell me what will be the answer if you keep K2 5 and B2 5? अच्छा, how did it come? 5 into 5 square, na? 25 minus 5, 20 plus 1, 21. So this is coming as 100 of 5. So guys, one value is 1, other value is 105. तो maximum कितना चला गया भाई, बोलना जरा. कितना गया इन दोनों का maximum? बोलो बोलो बोलो. 105. And what would happen if you gave K1 as the larger value and K2 as the smaller value? अभी सब दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा. B1, B2. This is 1, this is 5. K1 plus K2. Next time, last time you gave this 1 and 5. Now reverse. 5 and 1. Guys, now tell me what is the value for this. Sid, you will only tell me. And then this. 21 and 5. What is the maximum value, Sid? So now you can see na, that giving the larger one the smaller value results in the overall answer to be minimum. And when you give smaller guy the smaller value and the larger guy the larger value, the larger gets even larger. And the final answer is dependent on the maximum of all the values. That's why, bro. That's why I'm trying to give the smaller values the larger stuff. So once you give the larger stuff to the smaller values, then if you have a number, you take a large part of it and give it to b1. Obviously a small part will be left. I want to give the small part to the larger b2. Got it? Because I want this maximum number to be as small as possible. So in that case, I'm trying to find, I'm trying to find, like, I want that k1 is less than equal to gg by b1, right? Something like that, right, Sid? Yes or no? So you want this thing less than equal to gg by b1. So you are trying the best possible way so that this comes as minimum number. You don't know that this minimum number will be less than this or not, but you can give your best try, right? I'm trying my best. This is the meaning of this. I'm trying my best. I'm not sure if this will result into less than equal to gg by b1, but I'm just trying my best. Clear, Sid? So now I am just going back. Where is it? To my screen sharing. कहाँ गया? Let me stop. How to stop